Hey y'all, it is Glam Game Rebecca, and in today's video I am going to be unboxing a Trendmood box that I bought I don't know how long ago because I didn't film anything in November. It is now December 1st. I could have even got it in October, and I am not quite sure. Oh, really quick, the lipstick that I'm wearing, I just threw this on. This is the Copacetic Cosmetics Liquid Lipstick in Smashing Pumpkins. So, and I flip my hair the other direction because I can do that. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump right into this because I have to get to work really soon. And I have tested out 2 products out of this box so far. And I kind of couldn't wait on the one, but I'm kind of glad that I had tested it out months ago because of, well, you'll find out here in just a minute. I'm gonna roll the intro. Okay, so when I got this box, I was super excited because there's stuff in here like this. This is from Strivectin. Shelly from Geek Out of Water was really big into like Strivectin's primers and their eye creams and their face moisturizers because it really does kind of tighten and pull. And they have some really good products, but they're also very expensive. So this is the Advanced Retinol Nightly Renewal Moisturizer with retinol and retinol and plus retinol plus NIA114. So they've spelled retinol 2 different ways, one with an OL, one with an AL. Interesting. So this one here is worth more than $100, and I will leave prices and links on where to find them in the description box down below. I have not tried this. This is brand new. The good thing about Trendmood, and I don't know how she can get these and sell these boxes for like $30 to $45, but this is a full-size product. And it retails for over $100, and the box it came in was under $50. If I can find where I purchased this and find the price of it, I will leave that as well below. And I do have a referral link for Trendmood, so if you want to buy any of the boxes from Trendmood, I do get a small percent like for people that sign up and buy. So I'll leave all that information down below. I am not sponsored by them. I would love to be. I use their boxes to move. I kid you not. I used all of their boxes that I had in the past to pack my entire bathroom. Their boxes are very sturdy. So I've been wanting to try some of these products, but I can't because I haven't unboxed them yet. So I'm doing that now. So there's this. Then we have this from Kopari. This is a whipped moisture whipped ceramide cream. This is a hefty feeling container, and it's got seals on it top and bottom. Let's see if I can get it open. It says with ceramide, hyaluronic acid, vegan desert milk, and whipped coconut milk. I want to stick my nose in it. Well, that's why it sounded rattly. It's got a little scoop. There's no fragrance, absolutely no fragrance. So I'm really excited to try this now because of the fact that it's 0 fragrance. So my face should not scream when I put this on. And I've been really dry lately. I just got an email from my Curology provider telling me to put Vaseline on my face. I have never heard of a dermatologist telling a patient to put Vaseline on their face. It's like, why don't you just tell me to go dip my entire body in mineral oil? It would be almost as bad. So then we get to this one here. This is from Kinship. I have a couple other products due to either Ipsy or BoxyCharm or Trendmood. So I really like some of their stuff. They're more affordable. This is a self-smoothing glycolic resurfacing serum. So whatever you do, don't use this at night and then use this in the morning. Your face is gonna fall off because, ow. You don't want to mix your retinols and usually do a heavy-duty moisturizer. Oh, this is like a toner. So yeah, definitely don't mix these all on the same day unless you have super oily skin and you like peeling. I'm going to get into the first disappointment item in here. I have tried this product. I love the brand. I love the creator of the brand and the message that stands behind her and all of the creativity that she has. And it is Danessa Myricks. This is their Lightworks 4. This is for the first look. This is a pressed chrome flake. So in her Lightwork palette, I'll stick a picture of it up here. There is that center row that is all these like special shades. Some of them you have to get wet to get them to work, and others you basically, you swirl your finger in it to activate them. This is the one you swirl your finger in. There's my alarm for work. This is in the shade Paradise. This says press, swipe, chrome, swirl finger to activate pressed chrome flakes, press and glide for an ultra metallic foiled look, press and tap for a scattered sparkle effect. This is a beautiful shade. It's like a yellow, orange, and purple. Like the shift is like yellow, orange with a hint of like green, looking at it down, but it's also a purple shadow. So the I had a huge allergic reaction to this. I'm trying to get that shadow off the actual palette. I'm gonna see if my friend Michelle can use this. I've already talked to her about sending it to her and see if she can use it, because I put it on not one but both eyes and literally had problems closing my eyes for like 2 weeks. So this is beautiful, but there's something in it I'm allergic to, and the first ingredient is silica, and I do have reactions to silicone products. So unfortunately, I am not keeping this. It is a beautiful product, but it's going. The next item is also from Danessa Myricks, and I actually used it with a Nomad shadow, and that's this little brush. This is like a sponge tip applicator met a silicone applicator. So let me see if I have, do I have one over here? Okay, so it's like one of these, had a baby with one of these and created this. This is not a sponge tip applicator. It is silicone, but it's supposed to like help the like metallic shades or flaky shades go on a little bit better. And in Nomad's latest palette, which is hiding, they have shadows like the Studio 54 collection in it. So you've got 5 shades in here that are difficult to work with regular brushes because of how they are created. And if you own this highlighter, or this palette from Nomad Cosmetics, the Studio 54 collection, then you'll be familiar with how these shadows work, and this worked really well for it. So this is the Chrome Amplifier, so I'm definitely keeping this. Then there's 2 other things in here from Danessa Myricks. These are the Color Fix mattes. I have the shade Desert Rose and Chocolate. I'm probably going to keep one, and then I'm either gonna sell the other one or give it away because I don't need 2 of these. They're both like brown shades, and I don't wear a whole lot of brown shadow. So I'll find somebody that wears more neutral shades or can get more use out of one of these, and I'll either give it to them or sell it. Then we have 2 products in here from e.l.f. I have the Brow Lift Applicator that has a little like spatula on the end that looks like this little tool here. And it's got a spoolie on the other end. And then this has the e.l.f. Clear Brow Lift. I will never use this. I like my brow gels to come in things like this. So this is a mascara, but just to give you an example, you just kind of, you know, run a spoolie through it. Actually, I can do you one better. Here's the e.l.f. one. So this is their clear mascara. This is what I prefer in my brows. I don't like it when people take their brows and they do this. I think that looks abso-fucking-lutely stupid. I don't like it. I always smooth mine over. But I don't like it when people like they plaster their eyebrows all the way up here on their forehead. It's straight up. It looks horrible. I don't like it. It's not my style. So I won't be keeping this, and I will probably sell this together. These cost $10. So I think one's $4 and one's $6. I will probably be listing these for sale if anybody's interested. I will leave my website link down below. Then we have the Sephora Blur Smooth and Blur Primer. This is a silicone-based primer. I didn't even see this in here. I can't get it open. That's what these are handy for. Just a little primer. I definitely won't be keeping that because silicone. So that's also going. And then this is from Touchland. This is the Lemon Lime Spritz Power Mist. This is a hydrating hand sanitizer, and it is super cute. So, and it looks like it's leaked because there's like bougie marks on the inside of the bag. So it did leak, which is probably why it's in a bag. Yes, I can smell it through the plastic. There was also these 2 cards. So there's the Sephora thing. Looks like the primer smooths and blurs, and it's $16. And it's got a thing on how to use it, so that would go with that. And then here's one for the Strivectin and what it does, so I will keep that. And then of course I reuse the bubble wrap and the tissue paper from these boxes as well, because it's free packing material that I don't have to pay for to ship out my orders. So there's that. So as of right now, I am keeping 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items out of this box, and I am selling 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm selling 4 and I'm giving away 1. So this is going to be given away. These are going to be sold. So any of the items that I've said that will be sold, please check my website, shop-osp, for them to be listed on sale, and that's a .com, not one of the new extensions like .io. And of course the primer will come with this card because of the fact that it goes with it. So that'll go on my list of stuff to sell. And you know what? I think I'm just going to sell the chocolate one, and I will keep the Desert Rose. That way I can just... It's done. Anyways, I will test these products out, especially the Kinship one, the Strivectin. You're going to have to, like, I'm going to have to use these for 30 days. I still use Curology, but I have like a lot of like breakouts right now on my face. I'm super dry. My skin is horribly dry right now. We even bought a humidifier. It is literally right outside my office door in the hallway. And I am excited to try this because it is scent free. So I will be testing these things out. I will probably do a demo of this another time. I really enjoy the brush. Add it to my collection now. And I will see you guys in another video. If you like these Trendmood unboxings, leave your thoughts down below on them. Would you have kept what I kept? Would you have swapped things out? What would you have done differently on this? And I will leave prices, links, descriptions for all of these products in the description box because there's so few of them. I don't need to write a blog about it. And there's that. Leave your questions and comments down below. Toss a like on the video, and I will see you guys in another video very soon. Thank you for coming and watching if you've made it this far. Leave me a pumpkin emoji in the chat. Casey, I know you're still watching. Anyways, get back to work. I will see you guys later. Have a fantastic day or night wherever you are. Bye.